This is HONOR X8a, and in today's video I will show all that there is to know about taking and managing screenshots on this device. I will begin by showing you all available methods to capture or to take a screenshot. So the first method is to simultaneously press the volume down and power keys. Then you can also go into your device's settings, then enter the accessibility features, go into shortcuts and gestures, and here open the take screenshot section. If you'll switch on the knuckle screenshots and 3-finger screenshots, you will get quite a few additional screenshots taken methods. So let's begin by knuckle gestures. So tap at, use your knuckle and tap with it twice to take a regular screenshot. Then tap with your knuckle once and draw a shape to take a partial screenshot. And then you can draw the letter S with your knuckle to take a scroll shot or long or scrolling screenshot. There's something wrong with this method from my experience with HONOR phones, but let's try to see if it works. Yep, it does. So nothing wrong on this device at the very least, so that's great. And another screenshotting method that we enabled is the 3-finger gesture, which goes like so. Simply position your 3 fingers somewhere at the screen and then swipe them downwards. Now, as you could have noticed, once the screenshot is captured, the little miniature appears to your bottom left, and this miniature you can swipe to the top to share your screenshot, or you can swipe it to the bottom to take a scrolling screenshot. Or you can also tap at the screenshot itself to begin editing it. Now, in order to find your screenshots, all that you gotta do is to launch the gallery app, then go into the albums, and as you can see, all your screenshots are being conveniently saved into their separate designated screenshots folder. And well, as far as this video goes, that will be more or less everything. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.